What's up guys, I'm Matt Beck and today I'm here on the Kenra Professional YouTube channel to share with you guys a product that's perfect for this time of the year to fight frizz, and that product is the Kenra Smoothing Blowout Lotion 14. So to showcase what this product is all about and how it works, I brought in my client Brooke. So when working in the salon, I like to use this product to ensure the longevity of my clients' blow dry. One of the key benefits of this product is it's gonna help your clients fight frizz for up to 4 days. We've reached the time of the year where humidity is at its worst. This product is gonna provide up to 24 hours of humidity resistance. Now it's not a complicated process, this is actually a pretty simple product. So all you have to do is do a few pumps into your hand, and then I'm gonna apply the product from scalp to ends evenly to Brooke's hair. Once I get the product applied to Brooke's hair with my hands, then I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb or a brush, and I'm gonna work the product from scalp to ends through the hair, creating even saturation. Now the next step is just to go in, do the blow dry the same way you would always do it, but the great thing about this is now you've got humidity resistance for 24 hours, up to 4 days without frizz, and thermal protection up to 450 degrees. So everything about this product is all about benefiting the quality of the hair, which is what we're doing behind the chair. You can see this end result on Brooke, beautiful, shiny hair that's gonna look like that for 4 days straight. And who doesn't want frizz-free hair for 4 days? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. To learn more about this product, check out Kenra's website, click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.